From the second letter of St. Paul to the Thessalonians. But I would not have you to be ignorant, brethren, concerning them which are asleep, that ye sorrow not, even as others which have no hope. For if we believe that Jesus died and rose again, even so them also which sleep in Jesus will God bring with him. For this we say unto you by the word of the Lord, that we which are alive and remain unto the coming of the Lord shall not prevent them which are asleep. For the Lord himself shall descend from heaven with a shout, with the voice of the archangel, and with the trump of God, and the dead in Christ shall rise first. Then we which are alive and remain shall be caught up together with them in the clouds, to meet the Lord in the air, and so shall we ever be with the Lord. Wherefore comfort one another with these words. This is the word of the Lord.
Our schools, our newsrooms, even our corporate boardrooms, there is a new far-left fascism that demands absolute allegiance. If you do not speak its language, perform its rituals, recite its mantras, and follow its commandments, then you will be censored, banished, blacklisted, persecuted, and punished. I am here as your president to proclaim before the country and before the world, this monument will never be desecrated. These heroes will never be defaced. Their legacy will never, ever be destroyed. Their achievements will never be forgotten. And Mount Rushmore will stand forever as an eternal tribute to our forefathers and to our freedom.
Now moving on, Wuhan, which is the epicenter of this virus, has raised its flood alert level as heavy rains continue in China. Now there are still floods in 26 provinces and cities in China, and they're looking now at more than 30 days of ongoing rain, somewhere around 35 days in some parts. And this is becoming a very serious issue in many areas of China. They're facing many natural disasters, not just these floods, but also earthquakes, locusts, hail, tornadoes. I mean, you name it, they're facing it right now. The situation in China is very rough. The floods seem to be causing more damage than anything currently. But when you combine it with the other natural disasters, you're looking at about double the amount of damage from just
This is amazing.
And the deep memo is one of those documents. It's a discovery document that was given to me by Mike